Introducing the Yamal 730, a cutting-edge air-cushion amphibian motor vessel designed for versatility and reliability in the harshest environments. This all-terrain vessel excels on water, ice, snow, and even swamps, making it the ultimate solution for challenging landscapes. Powered by a high-performance engine, the Yamal 730 achieves speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour on water and 50 kilometers per hour on land. Its air cushion technology provides smooth and efficient travel by reducing resistance and allowing seamless transitions between surfaces. The Yamal 730 is built with advanced composite materials, ensuring durability while keeping it lightweight. Inside, it offers a spacious cabin with seating for up to 10 passengers and additional room for cargo, making it ideal for rescue missions, logistics, or adventure tourism. Equipped with modern navigation systems and safety features, the Yamal 730 guarantees operational efficiency in extreme weather conditions, from sub-zero Arctic zones to flooded areas. Widely used in remote regions, the Yamal 730 isn't just a vessel. It's a lifeline for communities and industries, offering unmatched performance, adaptability, and reliability. The Yamal 730, where innovation meets the challenges of nature. The Visuva S2 is an innovative Russian off-road vehicle blending urban practicality with extreme all-terrain capabilities. Measuring 4.6 meters in height, 1.9 meters in length, and 2.3 meters in width, it features a corrosion-resistant composite fiberglass body and a robust, lightweight frame designed for rugged performance. Equipped with a turbocharged engine from Great Wall, it offers two configurations: a 2.0-liter 227 horsepower engine for balance power and efficiency, or a 3.0-liter 354 horsepower engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission for more demanding terrains. The S2 boasts impressive ground clearance of 470 millimeters and independent multi-link suspension for smooth handling over challenging landscapes. Customization is a standout feature, allowing options like cruise control, additional monitors, rain sensors, a fridge, and even a 220-volt power converter. Drivers can also select wheel sizes ranging from R17 to R22 for various terrains. Designed by rally driver Dmitry Zabritsky, this vehicle is built for adventure, merging rally-inspired technology with urban adaptability. The Visuva S2 is set to redefine off-road travel while hinting at future expansions, including pickups and minibuses. The Blackbird Flying Taxi is revolutionizing urban transportation. Designed for efficiency, speed, and eco-friendliness, this electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, or eVTOL, promises a seamless and sustainable commuting experience. Equipped with cutting-edge propulsion systems, the Blackbird can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour, with a range of 60 miles per charge, making it ideal for short, city-to-city travel. Its quiet, all-electric engines drastically reduce noise pollution compared to traditional helicopters, ensuring a peaceful urban environment. Inside, passengers enjoy a sleek, tech-infused cabin, complete with panoramic views, smart controls, and advanced safety systems. Autonomous flight technology reduces pilot dependency, enabling efficient navigation through complex cityscapes. Backed by stringent safety protocols and rigorous testing, the Blackbird is setting new standards in reliability and innovation. This groundbreaking flying taxi aims to make air mobility accessible, affordable, and environmentally responsible. The future of transportation is here, and it's taking off with the Blackbird Flying Taxi. Introducing the Quanta R, a groundbreaking leap in modern technology. Designed with precision, the Quanta R is a seamless blend of innovation, performance, and elegance. Its advanced processing power ensures unmatched speed, while the cutting-edge display delivers crystal-clear visuals, perfect for work or play. With an ergonomic design, it's crafted to fit effortlessly into your daily life, offering superior portability without compromising functionality. The Quanta R is also eco-friendly, engineered with sustainable materials and energy-efficient features. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional on the go, the Quanta R is your ultimate companion for a smarter, greener future. Experience the revolution. Experience Quanta R. The City Transformer CT2 is a revolutionary electric microcar designed for urban mobility. This ultra-compact vehicle is only 1 meter wide in its folded state, allowing it to navigate narrow streets and park in tight spaces effortlessly. When needed, it expands to 1.4 meters for added stability at higher speeds. Powered by dual electric motors, the CT2 has a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour and offers a range of up to 180 kilometers on a single charge. Its lightweight aluminum frame and modular design prioritize sustainability, while smart features like app-based controls and over-the-air updates ensure a modern user experience. The CT2 is more than just a car. It's a mobility solution for congested cities, offering convenience without compromising the environment. Perfect for daily commutes or city explorations, the City Transformer CT2 redefines urban transportation. The Yamaha Majesty, a versatile maxi scooter, has been transformed into a breathtaking piece of art with the melted custom design. Breaking away from its factory look, this masterpiece showcases the seamless blending of engineering and creativity. Its name, Melted, comes from the flowing, liquid-like bodywork that appears as if it's frozen mid-melt. The customized panels are crafted with precision, creating a surreal, almost futuristic vibe. A unique, glossy paint finish enhances this fluid aesthetic, reflecting light in a way that brings the scooter to life. Underneath this captivating exterior, the Majesty retains its reliable performance. It boasts a powerful engine for smooth urban commuting or highway cruising. However, custom upgrades in suspension and braking ensure that the aesthetics are matched by superior handling. Every detail, from the sculpted seat to the modified exhaust, reflects meticulous craftsmanship. LED lighting accents the design, adding a modern flair, especially when seen at night. The Melted Custom isn't just a ride. It's a statement, a symbol of how form and function can unite. This Yamaha Majesty stands as a bold vision of what's possible in custom scooter design. Introducing the Cyberbug electric motorcycle, a groundbreaking fusion of futuristic design and cutting-edge technology. With its sleek, cyberpunk-inspired aesthetics, this two-wheeler is as much a statement piece as it is a mode of transportation. Powered by a high-performance electric motor, the Cyberbug delivers impressive acceleration, whisper-quiet operation, and zero emissions, perfect for eco-conscious riders. Equipped with a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, it offers a range of up to 120 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for both urban commutes and adventurous weekend rides. The Cyberbug boasts smart features, including a digital dashboard, GPS navigation, and app connectivity for remote monitoring and customization. Safety is paramount, with LED lighting, advanced braking systems, and stability-enhancing suspension. Whether you're seeking efficiency, style, or sustainability, the Cyberbug electric motorcycle redefines what it means to ride in the future. Introducing the Lazzarini Hypersport Jet Capsule, a revolutionary watercraft blending luxury, performance, and cutting-edge design. At 26 feet long, this futuristic capsule is crafted from carbon fiber, ensuring lightweight durability and enhanced speed. Powered by a robust 800 horsepower engine, it reaches an impressive top speed of 75 knots, making it a perfect choice for thrill seekers and adventurers alike. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, customizable cabin featuring premium leather seats, ambient LED lighting, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. Its panoramic windows and skylight offer breathtaking views, while advanced air conditioning ensures comfort in any climate. Equipped with joystick controls for precision handling, the jet capsule provides an intuitive piloting experience. Whether you're cruising the coastline, hosting an intimate party, or commuting across the water, the Hypersport Jet capsule redefines what a personal watercraft can achieve. Luxury and innovation meet on water with the Lazzarini Hypersport Jet Capsule, a true masterpiece of modern marine engineering. Introducing the MC-1, a cutting-edge personal electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL vehicle designed to revolutionize urban transportation. Powered by advanced electric propulsion systems, the MC-1 offers a silent, emissions-free flying experience that promises to redefine how we travel in the skies. With a sleek, futuristic design, the MC-1 is built for personal use, capable of carrying 1 or 2 passengers. Its compact size makes it ideal for navigating through congested cityscapes, providing a fast and efficient alternative to ground-based transportation. Equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, the MC-1 ensures a smooth, stable flight, even in urban environments. Safety is a priority, with redundant systems and automated flight controls that provide peace of mind. The vehicle's vertical takeoff and landing capability allows it to operate from small, confined spaces, making it perfect for city rooftops or open fields. With a range of 60 to 100 miles on a single charge, the MC-1 offers a practical solution for short to medium-distance travel. Its fully electric nature not only makes it eco-friendly, but also minimizes maintenance costs compared to traditional aircraft. As we move towards a future of urban air mobility, the MC-1 stands as a symbol of innovation, combining sustainability, technology, and convenience to redefine the way we think about transportation. Calidus Euromotion is a revolutionary innovation in personal transportation designed to bring the future of mobility to the present. Combining cutting-edge Euro-stabilization technology with sleek, modern design, the Euromotion offers an unparalleled riding experience. Whether navigating city streets or open roads, its self-balancing system ensures stability and smooth movement, even at higher speeds or on uneven terrain. With an intuitive, easy-to-learn control system, riders simply lean forward to accelerate and backward to decelerate, making it accessible for everyone, from beginners to seasoned riders. The compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, while its energy-efficient motor provides impressive range and speed. The Calidus Euromotion isn't just about practicality, it's about transforming the way you move. It's a sustainable, fun, and futuristic mode of transportation that brings freedom and excitement to your daily commute.